connect it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Beehiiv. Once you're inside of Claude, you want to go to Customize, select Connectors, and you're going to want to connect the Beehiiv MCP as a custom connector inside of Claude. Connect it. You can see all the different tools Claude now has related to my Beehiiv account. Different things that Beehiiv offers as a platform are accessible via the MCP. How you find that is inside of Beehiiv. Once you log into your account, you're going to go to your settings. Inside, you'll see API, which you can create new API keys. We also have the MCP key as well. So you can connect their MCP, the Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, and more. All you're going to do when you're in Claude is connect that MCP URL. So you're going to copy that URL, jump back into Claude, go to connectors, and this is your first time adding the connector. You just want to go to add custom connectors, type in Beehiiv, paste your MCP key. Then once you add it, connect your account, go through the login authentication process, connect it, and you'll be able to access all of these different tools that you get access to inside of Beehiiv. Now, once again, inside of your settings, you want to go to your workspace settings and check the MCP section. Be aware that there's also an API. And if you're using Claude Code and you're building custom forms and you're building different things inside of the Beehiiv platform where you're automating different pieces of content, then the API may give you different capabilities or extended capabilities. Fastest way to get going with your Beehiiv account inside of Claude is to simply add the custom connector. So as you're connecting Beehiiv inside your Claude, you may be brand new to Beehiiv, you may already be running publications. There's a lot of different use cases. You could basically build an entire content business inside of the Beehiiv platform, whether you're just doing a simple newsletter, capturing leads with an email opt-in, or building out more customized workflows and onboarding automations, nurture sequences, SaaS tools, podcast hosting and distribution, depending on your goals and what you're looking to do. There's a lot of features and functionality that you may not use everything inside of Beehiiv. And so getting an idea, if you're using it for sponsorships, if you're using it for managing podcast episodes, if you're using it for polling an existing audience, you can see all the different tools inside of this connector that are all extending Claude's capabilities to work inside of building out whatever you're building inside. And that's the beauty of what you can do with the MCP. Same thing with the API. And once configured, if you're building custom forms, then you can have Claude walk you through all of these different things. You can have it walk you through setting up custom fields, setting up tags. For an example, for my comedy show, we built an opt-in form where people can add their first name, their email, and then select what city they're closest by. And Claude just walked me through the entire process and built the majority of the form directly through their MCP and API. This is going to be really helpful for looking in between different publications, get statistics, create new publications, publish those publications, check out different automations, different conditions. You can really manage everything inside of your Beehiiv account now directly inside of Claude or inside of Codex or inside of Cursor. And you can see all the tools and capabilities here. It really is as simple as signing into your Beehiiv account, grabbing that MCP server URL, and then heading on into Claude, customize connectors, add a custom connector, type in Beehiiv, paste that remote MCP server URL, log in with your account, and then you'll be all set to go.